Hey there, it's Spencer with Rainforest Plumbing and Air. Today I'm going to take you through what a boiler repair service looks like and what you can expect when you schedule with Rainforest Plumbing and Air. Boilers are the heart of your water heating system, and when they need attention, it's essential to act quickly. We're here to ensure your comfort and safety along the way. First, our skilled technicians will begin by diagnosing the issue. Boilers can face problems like not heating, strange noises, or even water leaks. We arrive equipped with the right tools and replacement parts to address a variety of boiler problems. For a malfunctioning boiler, we'll inspect and test various components, including the thermostat, pilot light, and pressure relief valve. Safety is our top priority. Before we start any repair work, we'll ensure that the boiler is safely turned off. For components like the recirculating pump or the expansion tank, we'll carefully remove the faulty parts and replace them with new ones. In the case of water leaks, we'll pinpoint the source and fix it promptly to prevent further damage. After the repair, we'll turn on the boiler and thoroughly test it to ensure it's operating efficiently and safely. We'll also check and adjust settings like water pressure and temperature to ensure your comfort and the system's longevity. To prevent future issues, consider scheduling regular boiler maintenance. This can help detect and address problems before they become major repairs. Thank you for choosing Rainforest Plumbing and Air for your boiler repair needs in the Phoenix metro area. Your comfort and safety are our top priorities, and we're here to provide fast, professional service.